Hey guys, Fishing DDS here. We are at Castalia State Fish Hatchery and we are going to be doing some trout fishing today. So let's go fishing. Isabel got the first one already, honey. Reel it in. Yeah. Oh. Hold on, honey, hold on. Okay, good job, babe. Good job. Okay, bring him up over here. Bring him up over here. Was it the salmon eggs that did it?
Yep.
Okay.
Stop moving! Bastard.
They're very lively.
I know. Here, take a picture of me with it. Come on, why don't you take a picture of me with it?
Got one. Can somebody get the net, please? Can somebody get the net, please?
Get him over here. Get him over here.
Awesome. Okay guys, second lure here, origami blade. We already caught one on the one spoon. We're trying another spoon. You're fine, honey. Got one. William. Look at how they all swarm around when... Isabel, get the net. Come on, baby. Scoop them. You gotta scoop them. Get under them. You gotta get under them, baby. You push them. There you go. Lift them up. Lift them up. Good job. Next bait, Rebel Teeny Craw. Nope. Got one. Somebody get the net, please. Thank you, honey. Okay. 3 fish, 3 different baits. Let's try something else in here. I want to try and catch a brown trout, a little different species. Yeah, he's a little skinny guy. Settle down, buddy. Settle down. He wasn't coming off, baby. He got like all 3 tribbles in his mouth. Here we go. Slab runner too much. Walk to the cooler, baby. Figured out the problem and gave you the answer. Oh, that was a monster. He might have taken your bait. Got one. Net, please. Okay, out. Nope, he got off. He got in the weeds and got off. Got one. Oh, he got over that log. He went right over that log. He jumped out and went right over that log. You got one, baby? Don't reel him all the way to the bank, honey. Reel him over here. Got him. Whoa, he's still flipping. What? Okay, bring him over to the cooler, baby. Jesus. He's talking about a flopper, Isabel. William's up to 3. Yeah, I think one of them. Isabel's up to 4. You get one more, Doodle. Yeah, you get one more, bub. You get one more. Yeah, Isabel gets one more. No, Mommy only has 3. Oh. Mommy has 4. I only have 3, so I might be the last one fishing. Babe, carry him over. What's up? I gotta go net for her. Okay. That's a nice one, Doodle. He's... Got one. Somebody get the net, please. Somebody get the net, please. Open up the cooler, baby. Got one. Net. Oh, this is a little guy. He's... That's a big fish. Come on, buddy. Get in there. There we go. No, he's not... We've caught some that are smaller. Okay. That's my limit. When did we agree on this? Just now. Here, we got to put one of those fish up to our mystery tackle box and take a picture. And we'll get... That's the biggest one!
You got a big one?
That's the biggest one. We gotta get a picture of that, babe.
Big boy. No, mommy.
Hey.
Mommy, that's 4-pound line.
No, she has 8 pound on hers, William. My players are underneath.
He's right there, just unhook him.
I tried to do that with Isabel's and I got a hook in my hand.
I thought it was a little one and I was trying to let him get off. I thought it was
Okay, let's do the picture on the mystery tackle box.
Sponsored by Mr. Tackle Box, please.
Okay.
Hashtag not sponsored by Chicken.
Isabel, I'll hold the fish. You take the picture, please. Get my phone unlocked. Damn, babe. Here's a big one. I can't get my hand around him.
Underneath him, right where you grabbed, but yeah, put your hands there. No. Under
Yeah. No.
I'm gonna pick him up.
You gotta get the.
Hurry up and get it.
I got it.
Can you see how long he is? Okay.
Hey, hurry! Isabel, from your dad's side. Get the whole box and everything.
19 inches. We got an entire limit of trout, 20 trout, in about just a little over an hour. So, gotta say that's a good day.
Pretty awesome.
Hey guys, just wanted to give a recap of the baits that we used today that we had the most luck on. My daughter was using the Potski Bait Company Green Label Salmon Eggs. She caught all of her fish on those on a hook underneath the bobber. I used the Origami Blade, the Lip Rippers Z-Spoon for trout. My wife caught all of hers on the Fire Tiger Color Rooster Tail. I caught one on the little mini spinner that he got off, and then I caught one on the Rebel Teeny Craw, and then the lure my son was using was the South Bend inline spinner in gold. My wife and my son had better luck when they would put some salmon eggs on the treble hook to entice some bites. So that's just a recap of the lures that we use here at the fish hatchery to catch our rainbow trout.
And go.
Hey guys, we're wrapping up our fishing time here at State Fish Hatchery. We got our 20 trout limit